Okay, I want to show you how I find people who are interested in having a tool. First thing, you got to make sure that you have a good opportunity that you're offering, something that is easy and it's good for them and it'll be good for you. So this is why I promote what I promote because I really believe in it. This program, I only promote this one up front, and I have 7 other affiliate links behind the so many hits that they help me promote in the back end. So the more I promote, it's kind of like saying I get points for having people sign up. They promote more on my back end, all the other affiliate links that I make more money on. These guys pay you money, but I have other affiliate links that'll pay you 150, 200, $300 for each member that they join. But this one is free. Okay. So now I'm on Facebook. I went and got into the groups. I click on groups. I see all. And let's see what I got here. Which one would I want to do? Which one do I want to do? Let me see. Well, I haven't done this one for a while. Let me check that one out. I click on it. And let me see what we have here. When I look at, see where it says share, comment, like, I look for the comments that they have, of at least 10 or more. So let's see. This one has, let me help drop your Facebook page here. 66. That's pretty common. 30, 40, 60. Okay, so I click on that. Brings you to the messenger site. Okay. Never met this person before. So let's see. Okay. There we go. And you click on messages. The yellow hand tells me that we've never had contact before. It's a new introduction that Facebook does you that favor. But also, try to do like, 10 or 15 or 20 the first 5 minutes and rest for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Because if you do 200-300 right away, Facebook will say, hey, you're misusing this, and they'll slap you for a couple hours. I can get 100 out in no time at all. Okay, so I'm doing a whole bunch of talking, but let's go. So I go to messages. I click on that. That's a little message that I sent you. Just remember, this is what I sent you. So you can change it to your style if you like, but this has worked really well for me because it's the truth. Okay, so LILTH. Is that right? I'm missing something here. Okay, there we go. I just send it off and that's it. And I just wait for them to reply. Some will very, 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 out of thousands that I've done this in the last month or 3 weeks, I've only gotten 2 nasty ones back. But everybody has either, I say, a small percentage don't even bother replying. Most of them will reply, yeah, send it to me. And a few will say, not now. Oh, they've had a tragedy in their life. They're not interested right now, whatever. But most of them are really nice. So, okay, so you're out of that. And I leave on the right-hand side. See the little doggy? I keep it there for me because I do so many other stuff. And I get calls. So I click on the left arrow down where it's black and white. Click on that, brings me back. And that's how I remember to see the little doggy up there. Well, the little doggy's right here. So I know that I already sent it to them. I go to the next person and I go to Messenger. And it's a new person. Okay. So I click on that and I go ARIEL. Okay, send it off. And I leave that on. So I remember where I sent it up because you get tired sometimes and until you get used to it, the less you think, the better, the easier it is. So the next guy I can see is Beck. Take this one down, go to Beck, go to Messenger, click on that. Okay. Beck. Boom. See, I'm doing it faster now so you can see. It becomes a no-brainer. The yellow hand tells me this is the first time these people have heard from me. So you do this, and remember, don't overdo it. Just do like 100 a day if you need, and you can do it very fast. Okay, Tamara, boom, done. There we go. That's all I do. Okay, I do maybe 20 or 30 or 40 the first 8 minutes in the morning, and then in around noon I do another 30 or 40 in the next 10 minutes or so, and I run around and take care of what I need to do. And then in the afternoon, maybe I'll do another 30 or 40, 50. So you got about over 120, 30 going out a date. But you realize you're only doing it like 30 minutes. You just wait. When the people get back hold of you, all you do is you send them to what I've sent before. Like, let me see. See, look, I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've done a few already. Okay, this guy got back to me a little while ago, but just remember, this is what I sent him before, what I just copied and sent out to you in the prospects. Yeah, sure, bro, cool guy. I sent him. I test different links to send out. I sent this particular one. I get a good response, but don't forget to put in your link to do it with yours, so you get credit. And then I put him this because I want to make sure that they understand I'm not going to be hounding them, and I'm not going to call them back again. I'm not going to text them back. And then what I started doing is, if you join, I will, help you if you get stuck, and how to promote this. I'll help them. If you get stuck, I'll help them because I want them to be a success. I want you to be a success. So that's it. That's all I do. It's easy. All right.